Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Also, Alhamdulillah, I am doing well by the grace of Allah. So this is Rido in front of you. So guys, right now I have come in outside as well as I'm walking, and also I bought banana and egg because I can't take my meal well because our match is not more good. So also I was doing study, so I thought now I will go outside and I will pass my time as well as I will buy something for my as a food. So just I have bought banana and egg. So right now I am going to my meal. You can see there are a lot of traffic jam, and now I'm behind as well as there are a lot of traffic jam. So in our country, traffic jam is natural, it's not a big deal. So guys, assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.